Here are 5 ways to improve your life by incorporating these practices into your daily routine. Prioritize mindfulness and meditation. Benefits: reduces stress, improves focus, enhances emotional regulation, and promotes overall well-being. How to dedicate even a few minutes each day to mindfulness exercises like meditation, deep breathing, or simply observing your thoughts without judgment. Engage in regular physical activity. Benefits: boosts physical health, improves mood, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and enhances cognitive function. How to find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, dancing, yoga, or any other form of exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. Practice gratitude and positivity. Benefits: enhances happiness, strengthens relationships, improves resilience, and promotes a positive outlook on life. How to take time each day to reflect on things you are grateful for, express appreciation to others, and practice positive affirmations. Prioritize quality sleep. Benefits: improves cognitive function, boosts mood, enhances physical health, and supports overall well-being. How to establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimize your sleep environment for a restful night's sleep. Engage in continuous learning and personal growth. Benefits: enhances knowledge, skills, and creativity, fosters personal development, and keeps your mind sharp. How to read books, take online courses, attend workshops, or engage in hobbies that stimulate your mind and encourage learning. Remember, small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements in your life. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these practices into your daily routine, and gradually build upon them as you experience the benefits.